Okay, we have a KITAMURA 4-axis horizontal machining center, and we're going to run her for you. Machine has a KITAMURA ARUMATIK-MI 4-axis CNC control. Machine comes equipped with two 250 millimeter or 10 by 10 pallets, a BT30 spindle with 15,000 RPM capacity. Right now we're running at 2,500 RPM, going up 5,000 RPM, 6,500. Machine's nice and quiet. That's 9,000 RPM. Again, it's a 15,000 RPM spindle. The travels of the machine are 12 inches in X, 12 inches in Y, and 13 inches in Z. We're doing a tool change right now. We're simulating it. Machine has a 40 ATC or 40 automatic tool capacity. Again, that's a BT30 spindle. We're going to do a pallet change. Round and round, the merry-go-round. Doing it again. All right, we're going to run the axes. That's your X. Your Y. Z. And your B. And you can see on the control that it's 0.001. And again, the machine does have coolant through the spindle with 220 PSI.